Welcome to online classes, children. Today in chapter number 3, that is multiples and factors, we are going to learn word problems related to LCM and HCF. So let's solve my practice time 4, children. The question number 1 is Shantanu wants to give sweets to some children. He wants to give either 10, 15 or 12 sweets to each and keep 10 for himself. What is the least number of sweets he must have? Whenever the question it is asking find out the least number, find out the minimum number. So we have to find LCM. In that case we have to find LCM. Okay, so we have to find the LCM of 10, 15 or 12 sweets. Okay, so I have already taught you how to find the LCM, children. So find out the LCM of 10, 15 and 12. First we will divide it by 2 because 10 and 12 can be divided by 2. Okay, so when you will divide it by 2, you will get 5, 15 and 6. Okay, now again you have to divide it by 2 because this 6 can be divided by 2. So divide it by 2. This 5 and 15 will be as it is, and this 6 when you will divide it by 2 you will get 3. So 5, 15 and 3. Now you have to divide it by 3 because no numbers are divisible by 2, but this 15 and 3 can be divided by 3. So divided by 3, this 5 will be as it is, and this 15 will become 5 and this 3 will become 1. So 5, 5 and 1. Now divided by 5 you will get 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so the LCM of 10, 15 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. When you will multiply all these numbers you will get 60. So now we have to find the least number of sweets he must have. So he is keeping 10 sweets for himself. So we have to add this 10 sweets plus 60 we have to do. Okay, we have to do 60 plus 10 to find out the least number of sweets he must have. Okay, so the answer will be 70. When you will add this 10 sweets and 60 you will get 70 sweets. Okay, so the least number of sweets he must have is 70. Now see the next question. Here it is given cups are sold 8 to a package and plates are sold 10 to a package. If you want to have the same number of each item for a party, what is the least number of packages of each that you need to buy? So here also it is asking to find out the least number of packages, but it is asking of each kind. Of each kind it is asking. Okay, each kind means cups and plates, each kinds of cups and plates. Okay, so first we have to find the LCM. So find out the LCM of 8 and 10, children. First you have to divide it by 2. Both these numbers can be divided by 2. So here you will get 4 and 5. Now again you have to divide it by 2 because this 4 can be divided by 2 but 5 cannot be divided by 2. So 5 will be as it is. So you will get 2 and 5. Now again divided by 2, this 2 can be divided by 2. So again divided by 2 you will get 1 and 5. Now divided by 5 you will get 1 and 1. So the LCM of 8 and 10 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So the LCM of 8 and 10 is 40. When you will multiply all these numbers you will get the LCM is 40. Okay. Now we have to find the least number of packages of each, that is cups for cups and plates. Okay, so we have to divide this LCM. What LCM here? We are getting the LCM as 40. So we have to divide it by 8 and 10. Okay, when we will divide it by 8, we will get the number of least number of cups, and when we will divide it by 10, we will get least number of plates. Okay. Therefore, the least number of cups packages that we need to buy is equals to 40 divided by 8. Now divide this 40 by 8, you will get 8 5s are 40. So the least number of cup packages that we need to buy is equals to 5. Now the least number of plate packages that we need to buy is equals to 40 divided by 10. Now divide 40 by 10, you will get 10 4s are 40. So the least number of plates packages that we need to buy is equal to 4. Okay. So thank you, children.